Hello everyone, so today we will proceed with our I don't know, device. And yeah, for this tutorial I just wanted to create a small legs, I don't know, legs, let's call it, the parts on which the subject will be standing. Yeah, so let's create a sphere. I will probably 16 subdivisions, scale it down, snap it to that one probably. That on grid, I mean. Yeah. And for bottom part, I will scale it up. Okay, let's check it how it will look. Be something like that. Okay, from the side, to this area. Okay, so I'll isolate it, this object, and let's do bevel in here. Segments and fraction. Fraction 0.1. In here, do the extrusion. And one more extrusion. Great. We'll select edges, the bevel, chamfer. Great. I will assign blend material, and voila, we have one leg. So I just duplicate, select them both, duplicate. Yeah, so simple like that. We can create the leg. Awesome. Okay, so let's move forward